guys, welcome. Today, I'm sorry I look like a mess. We're about to get an ice storm, so I'm just trying to get it done. Today is a Dollar Tree haul. It is so good. Let's go ahead and jump into this with bag number 1. And it is these little pen holders, and they're like cardboard, but they're actually like really strong. Yeah, I just thought these were really neat to be there. So what I did is I actually got 4 of them. I am going to put them all together like this and glue them all together, and then actually probably do some like vinyl or painting on them. That way they look cohesive, and I'll put my gel pens or something in there. And the next item is I just picked up the heart candle riser. I don't know what they're called, but I heard someone said they put their ring on it at night, and I thought that was cute. So I might do that. Just kind of depends. I have a few other things that go in the bathroom. Toothbrush, travel covers, that's all. That one's lame, but I needed it. I always keep one on mine. And then I found these cute little bumblebees and ladybugs. Look how adorable these are. And these are gonna be so cute as like an embellishment craft with, or like if you make cards or anything like that, or journal. This is gonna be a cute embellishment. Y'all, I came across this washi tape, and I thought it was flipping adorable. Look. Isn't that precious? And I will say I don't always like Dollar Tree washi tape, but sometimes I'll just add extra glue to keep it to stay down. In my second bag, I picked up the fortune cookies for Valentine. I found the adorable heart little plates. This was the other thing I was talking about, maybe putting it in the bathroom, putting my jewelry in there or my soap or something. And I found the jewel gems, the hearts, the pink hearts and the green and purples. I just got this to journal and craft with. I picked up the treat bags. I picked up the pink ones that have this stripes on it. And then also the polka dot ones. So this is in the party section. It's not gonna be in the Valentine's or crafts. So, and also I picked up these pink bags to craft with as well. And I also picked up these like metallic purple, I guess they're purple. Yeah, like a metallic one. There's 6 in there. I got these favor boxes. I got pink polka dot, red polka dots, blue polka dots, and pink stripe. Those are gonna be so good to use in a junk journal. I actually learned that one from Crafty Girl. And then I picked up the wooden heart sticks. These are gonna be great for like a charcuterie board for Valentine's Day, or you could even pluck these off and craft with them. And then I picked up some fastener, like Velcro dots. They're just for my junk journaling to make like cards and envelopes, stuff like that. I came across these adorable little dots. They've got the pinks and the purples and the blues and the greens. You can craft with these for Valentine's or for Easter. It's gonna look so cute with either one. If you go to the teaching tree area, you'll find these. I thought these were really pretty for like springtime, Valentine's, Easter, things like that. And what it is just a little extra piece. They're all individual on there, but these are gonna be cute in your journal. But you can just put those in like a little pocket, or you could add like the 3D foam to it to kind of have it raised up. You can make a card out of this. You can make a Mother's Day card, because that's gonna come up just as fast as anything else. This lace is for crocheting, but I still thought it was really pretty, and you could, you know, put it on like the border of a card or a journal. And I picked up these jumbo index cards for my journaling, and yeah, they're just good to have around. And same with these. And I like these because they're large to write all over, but you get the pinks, the blues, and the yellow. Then I found these cute little thank you cards, or thank you tags, I mean, And these were actually in like the wedding section. And there's only 12 in here? Yeah, there's 12 in here. So you're not gonna wanna use these for a wedding unless, I mean, I guess you could, you just have to buy a lot. But what I liked about them is the shape of them to use in my journal. So, you know, the whole back is blank, and then you could even add something on the front and then just make sure to cut it out in the same shape. But just adding this onto something would be really cute to add into your journal. I came across these flowers. Look at these. These are so cute. And I like that they're like raised up a little bit. So I thought those were really pretty. And then I think these are new. I've seen these around, but I really like the pinks and the whites, so I grabbed those. But these look new, and they actually give it like that vintage, it has a vintage color to it. Found these zigzag jewel borders, and they come in the pink. I think they had pink, blue, white. I can't remember if they had purple or not. I found these cute little pink jewels. I thought those were adorable. I found these flowers as well. I forgot about these. And I just really liked the pinks on there, the purples, that gold added to it. Let me open this one. See how it's kind of thicker, so it's not just flat. So it'll be good for springtime, Mother's Day, anything. I found these cupcake stickers, but what I liked about them is they look like they're made out of like cardboard, because this little part is like bent, like that inside of the cardboard. I picked up the sequins. These are nothing new. I just wanted them to make shaker cards with. And then I found these beads here. So you have the blue, the pinks, and then this is like a dark pink red almost, I guess. I don't know. That one's a hard one to tell. And then the little pearl iridescent ones as well. Yeah, these would be cute to add embellishments on any kind of craft or journal, or if you want to make bracelets, anything like that. And y'all, look at these cute little mini Uno cards. They're like Go Uno. I thought these were so precious. And look how, isn't that cute? And you don't have to like leave it this with the Uno on there. You can cover it up and decorate it. How cute is that? I like miniature items like this. I don't know why I find them so fascinating. Last bag of the haul, and this one is so many new things. They have these beaded decor pieces, like just little charms with initials on there. And then they also had some without the initials. And I got the R for my future last name. And then I also got these colored index cards to journal with. You have the blue, the pink, the teal, and the yellow. I picked up 2 of these. The one's already been used. You might have seen in my last haul the little bows that are on the tree. So I just wanted to show y'all. I picked it up. Also in the teaching tree area, I picked up these little like word strips is what they call them. But I like that pink one because it looks like little sprinkles, like for cupcake or sweets theme of any kind. And then it also has purple on the back. And in the Valentine's signs section, I picked up this hot air balloon, more of just like a sentiment to my fiance. However, I didn't realize till I got home that the eye is way down here. Like, how do you, did they not inspect them, I guess, before they sent them out? Like, that's a really bad print job. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna do and how to fix that. So in the toy section, I found this cute little punch out mobile set. How cute is that? So for a baby bed, like for the crib, it's a little mobile set that you put above it, but it's the Disney princesses. You have Tiana, Mulan, That's, you know, bell. A few more on the back. Have like Ariel, Cinderella, Jasmine. And yeah, so you punch these items out, and then you have the string, and it like twirls. Isn't that cute? I thought that was so original. Back to the Valentine section, I found these scratch stickers. I just thought they were cute. You can put your own little message on there and then scratch them off. That would be cute if you did like an advent calendar for your boyfriend, girlfriend, or add it to a journal, or for your kiddos even. Like, let your kids scratch it off. You know, you could add an activity of like, let's watch a movie night, or, you know, something like that. So you can always do that. And then guys, oh my gosh. Y'all, these are the bingo cards that I've been so excited to add into my journal. So you have the silly hearts, like the face, and it comes with like the heart stickers that you add in, like when you know, when the caller calls out the cards, you add it as if it was like the dauber. Then you have the conversation hearts. How cute are those? And then the sweet treats. This one's my favorite for some reason. That and the conversation hearts. I don't know. It's really hard to choose, but those sweets, they're so cute. And I love playing bingo. My grandmother used to take me all the time when I was a kid. Like all the time. Moving on to the craft section, I came across these paper packs. I like that there's a bunch of different colors in here and textures. So it gives you a wide range if you're making cards or journaling and don't want to buy a bunch of scrapbook paper. So you get to have just different ones. So yeah, like the green one, the glitter. There's only one glitter, I think. And these pink ones, I like the texture to it. Like a dark one, the white, purples, pinks. So it's like just little pieces. So I just thought that was really neat and original. That has like a almost like a marble effect to it. So yeah, this is gonna be great for like card making, journaling, any kind of paper crafts that you want to make. This would be really cute, especially, I would say especially if you were a card maker or journaler, scrapbooker. You can use these to cut out little pieces to add into your journals. Also in Crafter Square, y'all, they have mini burlap banners. So they have the, what are those, like an upside down triangle thing? All right, I went ahead and opened it. What? Look, there's like there's six pieces in here. What? And you can add like your different words on here. I think you can iron on burlap, so you can iron on letters. How precious is this? Especially if you do like a farmhouse decor. I don't know why it stinks though. And then you get the triangle shaped one. And then, I don't know the shape of this. I came across this 45-piece little craft wooden embellishment sets. They're flowers and butterflies. So this is the first one. And for $1.75, that's amazing because they're a lot more at Hobby Lobby for the exact same thing. And then here's the one with the butterflies in it. Now, these last few items shook me, guys. Shook me. This would be cute for a tier tray or in a little kid's room, but y'all, they are little marquee initials. Like, what? Let me turn this one on so you can see it. How cute is that? And you could add these in like your kids' Valentine's or Easter baskets. And they had the pinks, the gray, and the red, and a navy blue. These are two different sizes. So I got, and they didn't have all the initials. I will say that. This last item blew me away. And I know I've seen that they have like animal shaped ones, but I picked up the Hello one. Y'all, it is a tabletop color changing light. I genuinely hope that you can see this changing colors. That was it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching as always. I appreciate you guys. If you like the video, please hit the like and the subscribe. It's gonna get the video out more, helps the algorithm. And also I'm trying to figure out what is gonna work best with my schedule and what's gonna work best for YouTube to get my videos out there more. So that's why I'm kind of just playing with the days at the moment. So bear with me. If you're in Texas, stay safe over the next couple days. Thank you. Bye, guys.